Phrases in English with example. Break a leg. A phrase used to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Example. Before the play, the director said to the actors, break a leg. Break a leg. Bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Example. Sonu had to bite the bullet and tell her boss about the project's failure. Bite the bullet. To face a difficult situation. Burning the midnight oil. Working late into the night. Example. I have been burning the midnight oil to finish the report for tomorrow's meeting. Burning the midnight oil. देर रात तक कार्य करना. I have been burning the midnight oil. Cost an arm and a leg. To be very expensive. बहुत ज़्यादा महंगा होना. Example. That designer's handbag cost an arm and a leg. I can't afford it. Cost an arm and a leg to be very expensive. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't worry about things that have already happened and cannot be changed. Example. I know you made a mistake, but don't cry over spilled milk. Just learn from it. गलतियों से सीखें. Don't cry over spilled milk. Jump on the bandwagon. To join a popular trend or activity. To join a popular trend or activity. Example. Many people are jumping on the bandwagon of investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies. Piece of cake. बिल्कुल आसान कार्य. Something that is very easy to do. Something that is very easy to do. Example. Passing the test was a piece of cake for him. He had studied so hard. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy. Take it with a grain of salt. To be skeptical about the truth of accuracy of something. Example. When you read internet rumors, it's wise to take them with a grain of salt. With a grain of salt. यानी सच्चाई का पता लगाएं. The ball is in your court. It's your responsibility to make a decision or take action. Example. I have given you all the information you need. Now the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. Under the weather. Under the weather. Feeling slightly ill or not in the best physical condition. Example. I cannot make it to the party tonight. I am feeling a bit under the weather. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.